facilities and vibrant public spaces. A landmark city square is also being proposed as part of the station area development. Our vision is to integrate the bullet train station with the Government of India's Amrit Bharat station, the GSRTC bus depot and the PM e-bus network into a seamless multimodal transport hub in the city of Vadodara. We're promoting mixed use and high density development around the station. With the support of Government of Gujarat, we invite developers, planners, architects and investors from all over Gujarat and the country to come here and right here and invest in Vadodara. And I can see the friends smiling and lovely faces. We would be happy to host you in Vadodara again for that. We are promoting water security in the city with its advanced plans. We are also bringing up a closed plan of about 270 MLD of water for all this station area development so that the resources of water is also adequately matched. VMC has also planned for the development of 8 iconic roads for which we are doing a memorandum of understanding with the leading universities of Vadodara whose expertise in urban planning and public space development will be helpful for the Vadodara Municipal Corporation. These roads will improve mobility, enhance urban design and create better public spaces. To strengthen the industrial competitiveness, since it's an industrial vibrant Gujarat, commercial gas connections through Vadodara Gas will also be expanded to more industries under the guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. Our mantra remains simple: good governance, efficient municipal services, transport administration and citizen-centric development. With further not delay, I would also like to acknowledge the contributions of the team Heritage who's been here. Sir, it is my privilege to say that Vadodara Municipal Corporation's budget is named Virasati Vikas. So, as you all know, Vadodara has the highest number of heritage structures in the country, and we eagerly wait and we are applying to the Government of India for the Creative City of Design proposal from the city of Vadodara, and also enhance the protection of heritage structures in the city. VMC has established a dedicated heritage cell to look after the conservation of heritage. The Government of Gujarat has also given the approval for the conservation committee that has been approved in the latest dates. We are committed in conserving and promoting Vadodara's rich heritage. The government has also approved the commencement of the Shivji Arati at the Sursagar Lake, an additional cultural attraction to the city. Sustainability is also Vadodara's future. When we are planning for the Viksit Bharat and Viksit Gujarat, Vadodara also aims to have a Viksit Vadodara by 2047. We are planning to develop more than 30 megawatt of green energy capacity through solar trees, solar rooftop, trees and grid-connected canal top projects. Green public spaces are being expanded across the city under the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign, and our target is to plant 2.5 million trees in the days to come. We are also creating linear canal parks and garden developments based on the SSNL canals, for which we will be taking the support of the Honorable State Government. We are coming up with walking tracks and cycling tracks for the people of Vadodara. We are equally committed to developing sports infrastructure in Vadodara. In collaboration with Sir Dhanraj Pillai, the former Olympian and hockey captain of India, who has been associated with Vadodara in the past, we are welcoming him back to Vadodara to take sports promotion ahead in the days. High-performance athletic training centers, which will also be feeder centers for Ahmedabad's coming games, for the Olympic Games and the Commonwealth Games. Vadodara will play the feeding cadre role of sports infrastructure and sports expansion. With the closing remarks, I just want to say something very small. Vadodara is ready for its next chapter of growth. With the esteemed leadership and guidance from the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and with the blessings of the Union Cabinet Minister today, and the active participation from industries, citizens and institutions, we are committed to building a resilient, sustainable, connected, inclusive and a globally competitive city which is livable and essentially earnable for 2047. Thank you so much. Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat.